Milwaukee continues to push boundaries in the power tool industry with a new lineup built for professionals and DIYers alike. This collection features advanced technology, better performance, and improved ergonomics, while maintaining the brand's signature durability. Whether you're on a job site or tackling home repairs, these tools are made to enhance speed, precision, and ease. In this video, we highlight 15 new Milwaukee tools you'll want to use in 2025. First up, the Milwaukee M12 Chain Snake, a compact, cordless pipe clearing tool that combines power with precision. It delivers full clearing capability up to 35 feet, making it ideal for 1 to 2 inch pipes. Designed with user control in mind, it features infinite variable speed and an electronic foot pedal for safe, accurate cleaning without cable strain. The included M12 Red Lithium XC 6.0 battery powers up to 70 feet of buildup removal on a single charge. No cords or drill setups needed. Additional features like a mechanical clutch for protection and a partially enclosed drum for mess control show Milwaukee's attention to detail. Whether you're a plumber, maintenance professional, or serious DIYer, the Chain Snake is a game changer, offering unmatched convenience, portability, and performance for tough jobs and tight spaces. Next up is the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 10-gauge nibbler, a precision tool built for professionals needing power and control. With its POWRCE brushless motor, it cuts through 10-gauge mild steel and 12-gauge stainless steel with speed and accuracy, ideal for heavy-duty metalwork. What makes it stand out is its ability to perform tight 2-inch radius cuts, perfect for detailed or curved work. The variable speed trigger, mode selector, and tool-free 360 degrees die holder rotation add to its versatility and ease of use. Its compact, lightweight design improves access in tight areas, while features like the LED work light and chip collection bag enhance job site efficiency. Plus, it's fully compatible with the M18 battery system, great for users already in the Milwaukee ecosystem. Whether you're in HVAC, fabrication, or general metal work, this tool delivers clean, consistent results with professional-grade performance. Up next is the Milwaukee M12 Fuel 1/4 inch right-angle die grinder, a cordless powerhouse that delivers performance, precision, and portability. With 50% more power than traditional pneumatic models, its POWRCE brushless motor reaches up to 20,000 RPM, handling 2-inch cutting wheels and 3-inch sanding accessories effortlessly. What sets it apart is its excellent control. A variable speed trigger and 4-mode RPM settings allow for precise adjustments, ideal for tight spaces and detailed work. The compact, ergonomic design improves handling, while shadowless LED lighting and a single wrench spindle lock enhance visibility and ease of use. Built for service mechanics and pros ready to ditch air hoses, the M12 die grinder offers freedom without compromise. No cords, no maintenance, just power and precision. Milwaukee proves once again that cordless doesn't mean less, it means smarter. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Ringer Roll Groover represents a major leap forward in job site productivity and convenience. As the industry's first cordless roll groover, it eliminates the limitations of cords and delivers unmatched portability, making it ideal for on-site work where access and flexibility matter most. Designed to groove 1 to 4-inch Schedule 10 by 40 pipe and 6-inch Schedule 10, the M18 Ringer makes setup faster and operation easier than ever. Its intuitive controls allow operators to select pipe material, size, and schedule for precise groove depth, while its groove depth offset control removes the need for guesswork. The elimination of ratcheting and cranking, coupled with the ability to work in less than 4.5 inch of clearance, makes it the most user-friendly grooving solution on the market. With runtime capable of up to 50 grooves per charge, the tool is built to withstand a full day's work. Powered by RedLink Plus intelligence and a PowerState brushless motor, it offers high performance, tool protection, and battery efficiency. Combined with OneKey technology for tracking and management, the M18 Fuel Ringer redefines what's possible for sprinkler fitters and mechanical contractors, making it hands down the easiest and smartest way to groove on-site. The Milwaukee M12 subcompact impact driver is a great tool for anyone who needs power and performance in a compact, lightweight package. Weighing only 1.7 pounds with a battery and measuring just 4.3 inches in length, it's incredibly easy to maneuver, especially in tight or awkward spaces. This makes it ideal for overhead work and confined areas where larger drivers simply won't fit. Despite its small size, it packs a serious punch, delivering up to 1,100 inch-pounds of torque and 3,000 RPM, enabling fast and efficient driving. The brushless motor ensures not only speed but also longer life and better energy efficiency. Milwaukee's RedLink intelligence adds another layer of smart performance, protecting the tool and battery from overloads and overheating, while the internal metal gear case boosts durability. Its compatibility with over 150 tools in the M12 system adds tremendous value, making it a worthy addition to any toolbox. While the battery and charger are sold separately, the overall performance and versatility more than justify the investment. All in all, this tool offers an unmatched blend of power, portability, and professional-grade reliability, perfect for both serious DIYers and pros alike. The Milwaukee M12 subcompact brushless drill/driver stands out as an exceptional tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. What makes it particularly impressive is its ultra-compact design, measuring just 5.4 inches in length and weighing under 2 pounds with the battery. This makes it incredibly easy to maneuver, especially in tight spaces or during overhead tasks where larger drills become cumbersome. Despite its small size, the drill packs serious power with 350 inch-pounds of torque and speeds up to 1,550 RPM, handling most drilling and fastening needs with ease. The brushless motor ensures long-lasting performance, and the metal 3x8-inch chuck adds durability, making it feel solid and reliable in hand. Milwaukee's RedLink intelligence system is another highlight, offering advanced protection against overloads while optimizing performance. Plus, being part of the M12 system means it's compatible with over 150 tools, adding great value for those already invested in Milwaukee's ecosystem. Whether you're working in cabinetry, HVAC, or general maintenance, this tool offers a rare balance of power, precision, and portability. Overall, it's more than just a space saver, it's a serious workhorse in a compact package. Milwaukee's M12 compact inspection cameras represent a significant leap forward in professional-grade inspection technology, particularly for residential pipeline work. The M12 85 feet high flex and 65 feet ultra flex models are tailored for drain lines ranging from 1 to 4 inch, with flexible push cables that make navigating tight bends and traps remarkably easy. This level of maneuverability, combined with their compact design, makes them ideal for confined or hard-to-reach spaces. What sets these inspection cameras apart is the crystal-clear image quality they deliver, enhancing both accuracy and efficiency during inspections. The integration of multi-frequency SON technology allows for precise locating and diagnosing when used with the M12 pipeline locator, which is crucial for reducing unnecessary labor and avoiding guesswork. Additionally, the M12 wireless monitor complements these tools with intuitive features such as zoom, pan, audio, and video trimming, enabling users to document and share findings in real time via Wi-Fi. Its rugged, water, and impact-resistant build ensures durability in harsh job site conditions. Overall, Milwaukee's M12 inspection camera system streamlines the inspection process, saving time and improving outcomes for plumbing professionals working in small-diameter residential applications. Overall, it's a smart investment for those seeking high performance, clarity, and portability in a compact tool. The Milwaukee M18 4-gallon backpack sprayer is a great tool for professionals in landscape maintenance and beyond. Its battery-powered design eliminates the hassle of manual pumping, offering instant and consistent pressure up to 140 psi with a vertical spray reach of 24 feet. The adjustable 5-mode flow rate knob ranging from 0.1 to 0.52 GPM allows precise control for a wide range of applications, from delicate garden treatments to high-pressure weed control. What truly sets it apart is its switch tank system, an innovative, interchangeable tank assembly that minimizes cross-chemical contamination and increases job site flexibility. With the included M18 Red Lithium XC 3.0 battery, users can expect up to 20 tanks of spraying per charge, making it highly efficient for extended use. Comfort hasn't been overlooked either. The padded harness, lumbar support, and hip strap reduce fatigue during long days in the field. Durable Viton seals and a dual diaphragm pump extend the sprayer's life, even under harsh chemical exposure. Altogether, this sprayer stands out not only for its power and adaptability but also for its smart, user-focused design, solidifying its place as a top-tier tool in the Milwaukee M18 lineup. The Milwaukee Power Manager with 15-ampere circuit is a problem solver for users working with multiple chargers in environments that require heavy energy demands. By allowing for the simultaneous charging of a greater number of M12, M18 and MX fuel chargers, it helps users avoid tripped breakers and overloaded circuits, which is a common issue when managing high-energy loads. Its intelligent power switching system is a standout feature, automatically activating additional outlets as power becomes available, ensuring that the charging process runs smoothly without manual intervention. The inclusion of a power throttle allows for customization of energy usage, offering flexibility to accommodate other needs on the same circuit. This is particularly useful in avoiding costly infrastructure upgrades. Additionally, its compatibility with the modular Packout storage system makes it easy to mount and adjust the setup as charging needs evolve. For users looking to charge multiple batteries overnight or prioritize faster charging during the day, the Power Manager provides an efficient, organized solution. Overall, Milwaukee's Power Manager enhances the capability of electrical circuits while streamlining charging workflows, making it an indispensable tool for any operation that requires bulk charging without sacrificing efficiency or safety. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Powerhead is a must-have tool in the world of landscape maintenance equipment, offering more power than traditional 31 cubic centimeters gas powerheads. Its POWRCE brushless motor ensures optimal power output, surpassing gas-powered alternatives while maintaining reliability and efficiency. One of the most impressive features of the Powerhead is its compatibility with the entire range of 13 Milwaukee Quick LOK attachments, making it incredibly versatile and adaptable for various landscaping tasks. The tool also excels in ergonomics, with an adjustable bail handle that allows users to customize the balance based on their height and application, ensuring comfort during long hours of work. The advanced air cooling system is another notable feature, as it helps prevent overheating during demanding tasks, extending the tool's lifespan and maintaining consistent performance. Additionally, the 3-speed settings and variable speed trigger offer greater control over different job requirements, ensuring precision whether you're trimming, edging, or cutting. Overall, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Powerhead is a powerful, durable, and highly adaptable tool that delivers excellent performance and user comfort, making it a top choice for professionals in the landscaping industry. The Milwaukee M18 Brushless Stick Transfer Pump is an impressive tool for anyone working in demanding environments like trenches, vaults, or utility pole holes. Powered by the M18 battery platform and a brushless motor, this pump offers fast, reliable water transfer, moving up to 25 gallons per minute with a 17-foot maximum head height. One of its standout features is the HydroPass filter technology, which minimizes clogging and downtime by effectively handling heavy debris, ensuring a consistent flow. With a 48-inch submersible reach, it provides flexibility and ease when accessing hard-to-reach areas, making it an invaluable tool for various applications. The 360 degrees filter is easy to remove, adding to the convenience of maintenance. With the M18 system compatibility, it works seamlessly with over 275 other Milwaukee tools and is powered by the strong M18 red lithium batteries, providing up to 1,000 gallons per charge with the HD 12.0 battery. For anyone needing a powerful, durable, and efficient water transfer solution, the Milwaukee M18 Brushless Stick Transfer Pump stands out as a top choice. The Milwaukee M18 Dualbay simultaneous supercharger offers a significant leap in charging efficiency and convenience, making it an essential tool for professionals who rely on M18 red lithium batteries. With its ability to charge up to 2 batteries simultaneously, this charger delivers exceptional speed, providing an 80% charge in just 35 minutes for larger batteries like the M18 Red Lithium Forge XE 8.0. This fast charging capability is a game-changer for maximizing productivity, reducing downtime, and enabling users to get back to work faster. The addition of cool-cycle active cooling ensures that batteries stay cool during the charging process, preventing overheating and facilitating high-speed charging, even for hot batteries. The charger's RedLink intelligence optimizes performance by monitoring the battery's temperature, voltage, and charge status, which helps extend the lifespan of the batteries. Another notable feature is the 4-point mounting system, allowing users to mount the charger in vehicles like vans or trailers for on-the-go charging, making it ideal for mobile operations. Overall, the M18 Dualbay simultaneous supercharger enhances work efficiency by providing rapid, reliable, and efficient charging, ensuring that users can maintain momentum throughout their day without interruption. The Milwaukee Packout Tilt Bin Organizer is an exceptional addition to the Packout modular storage system, offering a high level of durability and versatility. With 10 removable bins, 2 large and 8 small, this organizer is ideal for storing a wide range of small tools, parts, and materials. The quick-access bins make it easy to find what you need without the hassle of digging through clutter. A standout feature is the locking security bars, which ensure the bins remain firmly shut during transport, preventing spills or loss of contents. The impact-resistant polymer body further enhances the organizer's durability, allowing it to withstand tough conditions on job sites. Additionally, the organizer is designed to stack or hang securely with other Packout system components, making it easy to build a customized storage solution. With a 40 pounds weight capacity, the organizer is well suited for handling heavy tools and materials, ensuring long-lasting performance. As part of the versatile Packout modular storage system, this tilt bin organizer offers both practicality and convenience, ensuring that tools and accessories are well organized and easily transportable. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, this organizer enhances efficiency, helping you keep your workspace tidy and your tools within reach. So that's a wrap on the 15 new tools from Milwaukee you can buy in 2025. Hope you find this helpful.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.